In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the screen time passcode or password on an iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys. So perhaps you want to change your settings without needing to enter the passcode. Let's say that I go to my Apple account and I went to my iCloud and let's say click on see all, and maybe I want to turn off the sync with the contacts here. As soon as I try to make any changes here, I cannot do it because it says screen time passcode enabled. So we need to disable that first, or we need to enter that passcode. So here's how you need to turn it off. So what we need to do is we need to scroll down until we see the screen time option. Click on that. And from here, you scroll all the way down again and see the change screen time passcode option. So we click on that, and here we can see two options. Either we can change the screen time password or we can turn it off. So click on turn off, and we need to enter our current password, which is this. I've just entered that, and now I should be able to make any changes without needing to enter the passcode. So that's how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.